But then I thought about it and I realized if you're a real Pokemon fan, you'll do anything to show your love for them. So I went home and I put those keys on my keyboard and I felt like I was part of the Pokemon world. I was typing away pretending I was catching Pokemon and my wife walks in and says, "Jerry, what are you doing?" And I said, "I'm living my dream, baby. I'm a Pokemon master." And she just rolled her eyes and walked out. So that's the thing about being a fan, you know? Sometimes you just gotta let your love for it shine through, even if it means putting some weird keys on your keyboard. Heck, who knows? Next time I might be back for some Yu-Gi-Oh keys and finally banish Newman to the Shadow Realm.